Hey there, Stoic Sage. Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe this channel. Let's go to new topic. Using psychological principles to influence someone's thoughts is a nuanced topic, and it's essential to approach this ethically. Instead of resorting to manipulative dark tricks, which can harm relationships in the long run, you can apply principles from Stoicism and psychology to foster genuine and meaningful connections. If your goal is to make someone think about you positively and consistently, focus on cultivating authenticity, respect, and value in your interactions. Here's how you can ethically apply these ideas while maintaining a stoic mindset. 1. Create emotional resonance by being fully present. Stoic principle. Be here and now. Let your presence reflect strength. People remember those who make them feel seen, heard, and understood. When you're fully present in your interactions, you leave a lasting impression. Action step. In conversations, focus entirely on the other person. Listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and avoid distractions. Ask insightful questions that make them feel valued, such as, what's something you're passionate about that most people don't know? This shows that you're genuinely interested in their deeper self, creating a bond they'll think about long after the interaction. 2. Master the art of mystery and selective vulnerability. Stoic principle. Control your speech and reveal only what serves your purpose. Mystery captivates the mind. Instead of oversharing, reveal aspects of yourself gradually. Share meaningful stories or perspectives sparingly, leaving them wanting to know more. Action step. When discussing yourself, hint at intriguing details without giving everything away. For example, that reminds me of an experience I had while traveling. It changed my perspective completely. If they ask for more, share thoughtfully. Curiosity is a powerful tool for lingering in someone's thoughts. 3. Build value through reciprocity. Psychological insight. The reciprocity principle suggests people feel compelled to give back when you've provided them with value. Offer something meaningful, whether it's advice, support, or a unique perspective. This creates a subconscious desire for them to repay the interaction, often by thinking of you or reaching out. Action step. Share something helpful, like, I came across an article that reminded me of something you mentioned. I think you'd enjoy it. This small act keeps you in their mind as someone attentive and thoughtful. 4. Create a shared sense of identity. Stoic principle. We are social beings. What unites us strengthens us. People are naturally drawn to those who share similar values, goals, or experiences. Establishing common ground creates a sense of connection that lingers in their mind. Action step. Highlight shared values or interests subtly. I love that we both prioritize growth. It's refreshing to meet someone on the same wavelength. This fosters a feeling of exclusivity in your bond. 5. Leverage emotional triggers without manipulation. Psychological insight. Strong emotions, whether joy, curiosity, or even mild frustration, are memorable. Creating moments that evoke genuine emotion can make your presence unforgettable. Use humor, insight, or even constructive debate to stand out. Action step. Engage them with something intellectually stimulating or lighthearted, such as, what's the most unconventional opinion you hold that you think might surprise people? This sparks a conversation they'll replay in their mind, linking the stimulation to you. 6. Maintain composure and emotional balance. Stoic principle. Calm is contagious. Control your emotions, and others will follow suit. People are naturally drawn to those who exude emotional stability and confidence. Avoid overreacting or appearing overly eager, as this can diminish your influence. Action step. If communication wanes, resist the urge to panic or overreach. Instead, maintain your routine and engage calmly when they reinitiate. Example response. It's good to hear from you. I was just thinking about shared interest or light topic. How have you been? This approach shows confidence and self-sufficiency, making you more compelling. 7. Offer novelty and unpredictability. Psychological insight. The brain remembers novelty more than routine. Introducing unexpected perspectives or experiences makes you memorable. Action step. When sharing ideas or stories, frame them uniquely. Instead of saying, I enjoy hiking, you might say, there's something meditative about being surrounded by trees and hearing nothing but your footsteps on the trail. Painting vivid, unusual pictures makes your words stick in their mind. 8. Become an emotional anchor, Stoic principle. Let your presence be a source of calm and strength to others. When someone associates you with feelings of peace, joy, or growth, they'll think of you during similar moments in their life. Action. Step. Be a source of positivity and encouragement. For instance, I really admire how you handled that situation. It's inspiring. This reinforces their connection to you as someone who uplifts them. 9. Leave a positive, open-ended note in conversations. Stoic principle. Endings matter. They define the memory of what came before. End your interactions on a high note, leaving them eager for the next encounter. Action step. Say something like, this has been such a great conversation. Let's pick it up again soon. I'd love to hear more about specific topic they mentioned. This leaves an impression of value and anticipation. 10. Focus on personal growth and let them observe Stoic principle. Waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one. Nothing draws attention like quietly focusing on your personal development. People think about those who inspire them, and when they see you thriving, they'll naturally be intrigued. Action step. Cultivate your skills, passions, and purpose. Share your journey indirectly through your actions, not boasts,